Am I audible? Am I audible? Darshan? Am I audible, Darshan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Audible.
Yeah, okay. Okay. As you have a second internal on Monday, immediately after Deepavali. So the portion is second unit half and the third unit complete. I have sent you the scanned copy of the textbook notes, whatever is required, I have sent you. Okay. Is there any problem with doing the third IA? Material as such required. I have shared the PPT of third unit also. Any material you want from my side for the second IA? Please put it in a chat box. No, everything is done. Okay. So then, so we'll start with today fifth unit. That is direction, coordination, communication, and the control. That is also an important phase of the project management. Okay, we'll start with the fifth unit. Fourth unit, we'll do it later. That is your numerical part. Before that, so after Deepavali, you have the first week, the second internal. Next week or very next week on Friday. On Friday, expert talk is arranged. Expert talk is arranged on project of 21st century. So the resource person is from, actually is basically from Chennai, since I was in a Chennai, and now he is working there in a Qatar. So he is going to share. He is right from the beginning as a project manager for the different organizations. So he is going to share the experience as a project manager with the different projects, what he has gone through. So all that he will be doing. I will let you know the exact date, but it is fixed. It is on Friday only. It is fixed on Friday itself. So all 59 plus 2 students, everyone has to attend. I will put the message in a WhatsApp group also, and I will put that in a Google Classroom also. Okay, so it is a must, everyone has to attend the classes, sorry, the expert talk. And shall we start with today's session? This is the last unit, fifth unit. So the books what you need to refer again for the fifth unit is S. Chowdhury itself. I have highlighted fifth unit also, S. Chowdhury itself. The project direction, coordination and control during the implementation phase of our project. So in this unit, we are going to discuss about the communication, how it in a project, project direction of a project, project coordination, role of MIS, that is Management Information System, in project control. Then, for how you are going to measure the performance indicators. So the different performance indicators to measure the project that we are going to learn, and the performance improvement for the construction company and a design company. Performance improvement, how you are going to, how the performance will be improved for CM company and DM company, that is construction company management, construction management, and DM company is nothing but design management companies for the better project management. And the project management environment, how the project management environment should be there. So all these topics we are going to learn in the fifth unit. Okay, today we'll start with what is direction, coordination and control. So there are 5 steps, phases in a project management. The most important one is the implementation phase. So during the implementation phase, around 85%, I keep on telling, around major work is done during the implementation phase itself. So in that case, how you are going to coordinate the different set of complex activities, how you are going to do the direction, how, what is the control phase you will be doing it. So that we are going to do it. So once the project starts, that means you start seeing physically or some picture you are going to see on the construction part of a project. So many things, many contractors, many agencies will be lined up in that during the implementation stage. For a smooth running of the project, it is very important to do the direction, proper direction, coordination and the control. So this, what percentage of a direction you have, that implementation phase itself. You can see the picture, the graph what I have shown. Are you able to read it? I have taken it, the screenshot from the textbook. Shall I make it full screen?
Yes, ma'am. Slideshow mode, you make it.
Am I audible clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. I'll make it full
Ma'am,
screen.
full screen, yes.
Yeah. Pardon me.
No,
Yes. Tell me.
I was telling, I was telling, make it full screen.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So once during the implementation phase itself, from the types of project phases, we have understood around 80 to 85% of the work is going to be done during the implementation phase. For the conception, for the planning, organizing, around 3 to 8% of the work will be done. So that implementation phase, the management efforts for schedule of this implementation, that implementation phase itself, we have divided into initiation on the startup period, means how you are going to start the project, then production period, then closing period, of a project. Here you can see the graph over here. The straight lines represents the direction. The cross lines represents the coordination, and your bubbles are going to represent